Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the way which requires entering a secret code. We have to open the dialer and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers. However, we have to focus on the serial number. As you can see, it is under it. You have to simply scroll down. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Now let's scroll down again and enter the status. Scroll down, and as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.